Hello, welcome to his InShot Mastery class. I am Usman Fadil, also known as ALMKP. So in this class, I will be taking us around how to navigate around InShot and how to use it to make a business, how to use it in our business. So let's go to InShot app. If you open your InShot app, you will see three options. Inside it, you will see the video option, you will see the photo option, and you see the college option. So if you want to make a video for your product, for your brand, or you want to create a video, you want to edit video, so you come to the video option. Then if you want to just edit photo, add text to it, give it animation or something like that, you click on the photo option. But if you want to mix two or three options, three photos together, so you will click on the collage option. So we'll be taking it one after the other. In the first one, you first pick the collage option. So you can just pick 2, 3 out of 3 or more photo for your option. Let's assume I want to use, let me just go to our album and I'm just going to pick 3. Let me use this. Please allow. Let me use. Let's assume I want to pick 2 of my 3 design. 2 or 3 of my design. 1, 2. Let me use this also. And let me look for another one. I want to pick this 3 design. Click OK. Because it is this 3 design that I'm picking. Then if you want to arrange it, can you see? Then if you want to arrange it, you just come to this layout to give it different type of layout that you want. If you want to use it to this, you can see this is 3 images, the first one, the second one, and the third image. Then if you want to use this type of method, can you see this is the first one at the top, this is the first one at the top, this is the second image, and this is the third image. You can rotate it, you can swap it, you can delete it, you can replace it. If you want to flip it, you can flip it here. If you want to swap it, you can swap it with another. Let's click on swap. Can you see? You can swap it with another swap. So you can swap it if you want to. If you want to swap it, you can swap it. Can you see? Okay. If you want to use another layout, you can use another layout here. Can you see it? The first one, the second one. So if you want to use another layout, this is another layout, this is another layout, this is another one, this is another one. It just depends on which kind of layout you wanted to use, and this is another one. It depends on the kind of layout you want to use for your design, but I prefer this. Then if you want to use border, if you want to add border to it, you can increase the border. Can you see the whole body? If you want to add border to all the body, then if you want to give it radius, can you see? You can come here to give it radius to reduce it. You can circle it to reduce the radius. That's that about the college. Then let's go back. You are not saving, discard. Then if you want to pick the picture, you have discussed about the college. You want to pick the picture, you can just come here to pick any picture that you like. Let me just pick this animation. Okay. Let me go back. Let me just pick this picture. Then add. You can adjust it. You can give it a canvas, any size that you wanted to do. Let's assume I want to give it a YouTube canvas, then I will enlarge it. I want to give it this, I can zoom it to this. I want to give it an Instagram this, I can zoom it to this. Can you see? But I'm not using any canvas. Let me just go back. No frame. And let me adjust it. I'm not giving it any frame. Then if you want to filter it, if you want to adjust, if you want to give it background, you can come here to give it a background. You can give any background that you like, white background, and give it any background that you like. So I'm not giving it any background. If you want to pick any color, I'm not giving any background, and just go back. Okay, blur. I'm not giving any background. Let me just go back. Then if you want to write, if you want to put sticker on it, you can pick any sticker. So you can place it anywhere you like. You can place it anywhere you like. Can you see? You want to add any sticker, that's what about the sticker. Then if you want to add text to it, you can come here and add text. Animation. Okay, this is the text. If you want to change the color of the text, you can come here to change the color of the text to black, to red, to white, to anywhere you like. To anywhere. Then if you want to give the text a border, you can come here to give it a border. Then let's assume you want to give it black, or you want to give it white. Can you see? If you want to give it a shadow, you can come here to increase the shadow, the S, then the Y. Can you see it? So if you want to label it, you want to give it a label, can you see? Okay, you can give it any border that you like, any label that you like. You want to make it transparent, you want to make it, can you see? So any border that you wanted to use, any label that you wanted to use, then you can cancel it here. Then if you want to increase the opacity of your text, if you want to increase it, and if you want to decrease it. That's about the opacity of the text. Then let's go back. You are not saving, you are discard, you are not saving it. Then if you want to do the video that I wanted to make for us, this is the purpose of creating the class, to make a video for your brand and for your businesses. Then you just come to this video, you create a new, you want to use photo for your business. Let's assume you have 3 products that you wanted to display or something like that. So you can merge the 3 products, 3 design together. But if you have a video content for your design, then you come to this video here to pick the video. Then you can merge 3 videos together for your design. Then if you want to use only one design that will be writing text on it, then you can leave it like that. But if you want to use 2 or 3 videos, then you can merge 3 or 2 videos. Let's assume that for this programming class that I'm holding, I want to add 3 videos. I can just click here, 1, 2, 3. Then merge the 3 videos together. Okay, this is the first one. I can just come here. Let's assume I want to use this. I will come here. Let me split it. Then let me delete the first one. This is the second one. Let me just split this one also. Let me delete the major one, and this is the third one. Let me just split it. Let me increase it a little bit. Then let me delete the major one. Then this is our video. Can you see?
Hello, welcome back. So in this class,
so this is our 3 major. Then if you want to canvas, if you want to adjust it to YouTube video. You can just put it and enlarge it. So I want them to be seeing this only. Can you see? I don't want them to be seeing the button or anything. I just come here, enlarge it a little bit, make it down. So okay.
Welcome back. So in this class, hello, welcome back. So in this class, we want to.
We are going to stop here and we'll continue in our next class.